Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. I am Rita Mbahfor, and I'm here this morning to talk about the All-Round Abundance Workshop organized by Dr. Pen Francis, coming up on the 28th of February 2026. And for the small story, how I met Dr. Pen Francis, struck with high blood pressure. January 2025, my sister asked me to go see Dr. Pen Francis. And he put me through a 10 days detox program that totally cleared off the blood pressure. It came back to normal. But along the way, I did some exercises with him that really made me feel good. So I attended this All-Round Abundance workshop he organized, where we did a lot of things that transformed my life. There was this exercise we did on declarations, positive declarations on our lives. That changes everything. And I think the positive declarations has made me to see life with other eyes. So the things that used to make me get angry, get on my nerves, I just scrolled through. And then we did some stretching too. The stretching helps a lot. I sleep better. I am emotionally abundant and physically fit. And not forgetting the breathing part. There is this breathing therapy we did that makes you feel lighter at the end. It makes you feel more peaceful. And I'll not say more, just come and experience that breathing part too. So I am calling upon everybody. If you are seeing me, if you see this video, I'm calling upon you to register massively to the next workshop coming up on the 28th of February. You will go back, transform, you will not be the same again. Thank you.